Make a lollipop. Yum.
You did it.
Make a lollipop. Go. Yan, lagyan mo ng ganito. Lagyan mo ng popsicle sticks.
Ako din.
O, ikot mo ah. Ikot mo na. Ikot mo na gano'n. Ikot. Ganyan. O, lagyan mo ng popsicle sticks. O, tama yan. O, yan. Lagyan mo doon. Search na.
Yummy.
Lagyan mo ng popsicle sticks.
Ako din.
Nice! Nice.
Didi ako din.
Cute.
We
Go! Sing! Music! Hindi ganyan. Go, Didi, go! Now I know ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Oh. Go, ABC. You sing.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Your turn.
A, B, B. Sinasabi niya yung song. 0 points, Rory. Not following instructions. Ay, nako. Very good. Oh, fine. Letter F, Rory. Dali. Letter F.
Ito F yan.
Saan yung letter F? Orange F.
Purple F.
Hindi. Orange yan. Lucas. Next. Letter G, Juliana. Letter G.
Sabi ka ba?
Good, Juliana. Oh, letter H, Lucas.
Lucas.
Letter H.
Green.
Letter H.
Green. Kaya? Sino? Green.
Seawater.
Yeah, teacher na lang maglagay kasi.
Good. Letter I, Rory.
Go, sino girl? Put. Hindi sali mo kamay mo later.
One.
Kala ko hindi na Letter J. Bagal lang.
Marcel.
Bakit nililimit mo? Sino?
Oh, letter K, Lucas. Letter K.
Good.
Asan yung K?
Pwede?
Correct. Galing mo. You're so great.
Yeah,
Next, letter L. Rory, letter L. Baliktad yung J.
baliktad.
Baliktad. Sandali lang. Baliktad yung J. Sandali lang, Rory.
Remove na. Na-remove na sa kamay ni Kiro. Yung isa, pangit. Pangit yung gawa, oh.
Rory, letter L.
Sige, ilan lang.
Ilan? Dito.
Pangit ka ng work mo sa.
Ikaw.
Oh, ayan! Very good! Ne. Oh. I can see you. I can see you. If I do this way, and then I do like that. Okay. I can see you. I can see your Rory. Oh. Oh nga. Hi, Juliana. Hi. Oh, you do it. Ito ng mask mo. I made a mask. Okay, oh, go. Next.
How about this one? Sino naman?
Matagal po yung nagsasay ka?
LMNOP QRSTUV WXYZ. Very good. Donut. Let's make a donut naman. Ikot. Rolling. Roll. Dunkin' Donut.
Let's make a donut.
Yeah, let's make a Dunkin' Donut. Na.
Ako din po.
Dunkin' Donut. Na. Dunkin' Donut. Oh, yeah. I have. Na. Lalagyan ko ng sprinkles. Lalagyan ko ng chocolate sprinkles. Oh, make a donut. Where's your donut? Juliana, where's your donut na? Oh, that's too much. Ayusin mo. Oh, ikot mo lang ganyan. Oh, yeah, you make donut. Oh, ikaw, asan ang donut mo?
Donut.
Yeah, very good. Ikot mo na po. Okay, go. Sige, push mo lang. Hindi pa tapos si Lucas.
Push!
WX. Grabe naman. X, hinyak ka na nga eh.
Ako to ito.
Oo nga. Okay, everybody will sing, ah.
Wow, what's one?
Ayusin natin. Element O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, ready? Everybody will sing. Oh, your turn. Go.
A, B, C.
C, dito ka C. A, B, C, D, E, F. Baliktad yung G. H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Ini-help lang kita ang suplado mo. Hindi na akong teacher mo. O ba yan? Ganda-ganda na lang sig natin eh. Okay, dali mo yung hindi pa ikaw, Rory. Hindi anak dito.
Dumidikit sa kamay mo yung papel.
Okay, Lucas, find purple B. B, as in boy. Find the purple B. Doon sa kabila. Ay, naku si Rory. Ay, may ginagawa tayo eh. Kukuha ng ibang activity.
Ganyan. Yes.
Okay, next. Find purple C.
Good.
Purple C.
Press down.
That's too much.
Yung paper. Press down that. Mag-grab.
Next. Find purple D. Sandali lang. Sandali lang. Lucas. Si Juliana na. Purple D. Hindi. Color orange pa eh. A, B, C, D, E. Find the purple, orange E. Yes, ito. A, B, C, D, E. O, ilagay mo yan. Rory! Hindi ka pa tapos. Pizza mo. Ikaw, Juliana, saan ang pizza mo?
Ako din.
Okay. Yum! Yum, 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 yum. Ayun.
Ako din.
Ikaw din. Ikaw din.
Wow.
Wow! Ang laki-laki. Eh, wala na. Wala na yung pizza mo. Oh no. Why did you do it like that? Oh no. Next.
Ako din.
Yum. Sarap. Next. Dami-daming minutes.
Party with. You see what coffee?
Dito mo.
Awa.
Dito, oh. Dito hawak mo, Baba. Lucas, hindi ka pa turn. Lucas. Letter M. Hindi mo pa turn. Si Juliana na. Okay, next. Letter N. Level up. Lucas, ikaw na. Letter N.
Peter, ganyan?
Ulit. Okay, next. Letter M, N, N, O. Letter O sa'yo. Oh! Rory, go on na, please. What will you say, Mommy?
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, and
I
then,
love you. I love you, Daddy.
happy
Happy
Valentine.
Valentine.
Sabi mo, ibigay mo yung rose ko, Mari, pakita mo. Oh, I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh, tapos, happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine.
Okay?
Tapos!
Oh, tapos ipo-fold nyo, fold. Look, picture, parang flower. Parang flower. Yan, ganyan, flower. Tapos lagyan ng popsicle stick sa dulo, ganyan. Oh, wow! Flower. Ulitin mo ng popsicle sticks. Flower,
Ako
I
din.
love you, Mommy. Ganun, bibigay mo kay Mommy. Oh, diba? Oh, I love you, Mommy. Happy Valentine's. Oh, ganun. Okay, ready? Mali! Hindi, ika-catch mo. Ito-throw mo. Ganun. Oh, ganyan, ganyan. Very good. 1 point, Rory. Oh, go. 2 points, Teacher Jen. Oh, yung kabilang kamay. Sorry. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Catch mo, Rory. 0 points ka na. Ayan. Oh, catch mo, catch. Ayan, oh. Okay. Oh, next. Oh, next activity. Oh, roll na. Roll on the table. Rolling, rolling. Roll, roll, roll. Rolling, rolling. Dapat ganito, ah. Roll, roll, roll. Mahaba dapat. Rolling, rolling. Roll, roll, roll.
Next, Rory, what color do you want?
The color black.
Done na yung color black. How about purple? Go, purple na lang. Rory, purple. Well, sabi ni teacher, ayusin. Bakit sinisira ulit? Fix mo. Rory naman kasi. You wait for the instruction kasi. Go, put it back. Put it back.
Hey, this is mine.
Go, fix na.
Ako din.
Like that ba, Rory? Di ba like this, sabi ni teacher? Go, fix it like this.
No putting sa mouth, diba?
Rory, 1, 2.
Yan, natanggal na po Enzo.
It's mine.
Good job. Oh. If you add red and green, how many blocks will be there? Rory.
10.
No. Lucas, can you count?
1.
Sabihin mo lang sa kanya, Rory, no, I'm still counting.
How
Come on.
many, Rory? No.
Go. Count mo.
How many ears? How many?
Ay, hindi niya alam mag-count. Mag-count ka. Rory, ba't kinukuha kasi? Oh, go you count. Lucas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay. 5 plus 4?
Equals 9.
Can you count if it's true?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Rory, what's our lesson for today?
The clock.
No. Hindi yun yung ginawa natin. We had, what did we do today? What did we do today? Numbers.
Numbers.
What else? We did
Letters. Addition.
Addition.
Waku numbers addition.
Example. Rory. If Teacher Van gave you 3 candies and you got 2 more on your bag, how many candies do you have?
8.
Teacher Van gave you 3 candies and you got 2 more in your bag. How many is that? How many candies do you have now? Teacher Van gave you 3. Rory is here to listen.
Sino yan?
What will you do? What will you do?
Sino yan?
What will you do here? You will What will you do here, Rory? You will listen. Listen.
Listen.
Not listen. Sit down ka properly. Ulit. 5. Fist bump. 3 plus 2 equals? 3 plus 2 equals?
Equals 5.
Okay, 5. You listen muna. Rory, you need to sit down. Ano yung sinasabi ni teacher? Ito ba yung pinapagawa ni teacher? Pinapa-open ba ni teacher yung cabinet? Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Clock.
No.
Clock.
You need to listen to teacher. That's the same kanina eh. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2.
Si Jude, kawawa naman siya.
You keep on getting other things, kaya ka nawawala eh. You focus muna, okay? You listen to teacher and follow instructions, yes?
Yes.
Teacher Ven gave you 3, and then Teacher Ven gave you 3, and then you have two more candies at your bag. How many is that? How many candies for Rory? 3 plus 2.
Equals 5.
5. How about if Teacher Ven gave you 1 pencil, and then your seatmate or your classmate gave you another one? How many pencils do you have now?
1.
No.
And Rory.
Ikaw kasi. Hindi ka nagbibiro. Nagsasabi ako ng
1.
Is this yours? This is not yours, so you know you won't open. Okay? Sit down muna. Can you sit down on your chair? Is Teacher Ven a chair? Is Teacher Ven a chair? Yes or no?
Yes.
Teacher Ven is not a chair. Go. You sit down on your chair. Go. Where's your chair? Sit down on your chair. You wait for your turn. Kung ano-anong ginagawa ng Rory, hindi mo pakali. You need to wait, okay? Wait. Listen to the instruction and then execute. Okay?
Rory, next time or yes?
What are you doing? Ikaw, what are you doing?
Lagay mo doon. Tingin! Tingin. Huwag mo. Yan. Oh, may butas dyan. Oh, ayun oh, yung butas. Good. Yan, push. Yan. Oh, yung kay Juliana. Push mo din, Juliana. Yan, galing. Next. Ito naman. Ito. Next. Yan. Oh, yun na yung gear. Yun na yan. Siyan. Sigbabaw. Number 2. Saan si Rory? How many, Rory? 6,000. 1 lang. Okay, you change it. What number 1? Number 2. Sean. Number 2. Ay, nako, si Sean pala. This is Sean. Dito. Yan. Very good. Baliktad. Tawa, tinawanan ka pala. Oh, that's by number 3. Number 3. Correct! Very good. Find number 4. Where is number 4? Correct. Find number 5, Sean. Yung red.
Isa lang yun.
Number 4. Number 5. Red. Good dog. Hindi. Ay, si Sean. Tawa-tawa si N. Nori N. Find N, Nori.
Where's letter N?
I don't know. You find. Sit down.
Okay,
5, letter N, purple. Next, uppercase. Letter O, Sean.
Uppercase.
Okay, 5, letter P. Color pink. Find Q. Find Q, Rory.
Where's you?
What are you going to say? You say done.
Sige mo na dito.
Ikaw. Gusto mo talo ka?
Tad.
You.
Talo na si Lucas.
Letter R.
Matit ka.
Sino yan?
Sean.
Sino yan?
Sino siya? Juliana.
Sino yan?
Sino siya?
Juliana.
Sino siya?
Sean.
Sino ka?
Lori.
Okay, ako.
Na, huwag ka mag-inom dyan.
Ken.
Very good. Sino siya? Rory. Sino siya? Sino ko? Sino ka? Galing!
Where's the...
Nice, nice. Nagbabawaran niya. Stop.
Up.
Ikaw na maglagay. Hindi yan matatanggal. Hindi na yan matatanggal. Ay, pwede naman pala.
This one.
Sige. Hindi. Ikaw talaga, Sean, pala desisyon. Naglalaro pa sila eh. Gusto mo nang iligpit. Okay?
Don't spin. Don't spin.
Ha? Look at this. And look at this. And then you put this one dito sa may ganun. Dali lang. Okay. Tapos, tada! Yay! Tapos meron pa siyang okay. Ready? Get set. One for you. One for you. One for you. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung butas. Tingnan mo yung butas. Tingnan mo yung butas. Lalagyan mo doon sa butas. Ayan o. Pa doon. Good. Oh, more.
And for you.
One for you. Dali lang, Rory. Sandali lang. Wait. Fix mo yan, Sean. One for you. Fix mo. Ayan o. Sa may butas. Oh, yan. Okay? Ay, Rory. Lagay mo doon, no. Oh, ikaw din. So, ito.
Wala pa.
Hindi ko doon. Yan. Good job. Next. One for you. One for you. Tishon. Ilalagay mo dito. Ito.
One for you. One for you.
Find A. Where is A?
What's
Sit
this?
down, Rory.
What that place there?
Where is the letter A? Yan, correct.
Uppercase.
Okay, yes, uppercase. Where is the letter E?
Share kayo, share. Okay, next
Okay,
one.
next,
For the
short.
shadow.
Letter C,
For the
short.
shadow letter.
Dito.
Go.
Very good, Sean. Very good. Very good, Rory. Next,
What is my name?
letter D. Find letter D.
What is this?
A, B, C, D. Asan yung letter D?
Find the shadow.
No, that's E. Letter D. Find letter E, Rory. Letter E.
Hindi ka pa nagsistart ng second line. Here's the next one.
Yung mo dun. Uppercase.
Give me here.
Okay, gawin mo yung F.
F.
Give mo yung F dun.
Give me.
One Roy.
Ikaw.
Ang galing Roy. How many Roys again?
Letter G. Find G.
Lina, do your work.
Here.
Then, how about you? Oh, matatalo ka na.
Baliktad. Uppercase.
Tapos na sa second line si Ando.
H.
Okay. Next. Next line.
Ay, uppercase. Uppercase.
Next. Ikaw.
Okay, ikaw. I.
Parang ayaw ko ka. Parang ayaw.
Mali kasi.
Okay, tapos na siya sa second line. Habang
Hindi. Uppercase nga eh.
Again.
Next, find the J. For Juliana. J for Juliana. Start. Yung uppercase. Yung malaking letter. Okay, letter K. Uppercase nga eh. Next, letter K. Find K.
Where's K?
I don't know.
Oh, wait dapat. Sabi sa'yo, wag itataas eh.
Okay, L.
Taas mo ulit. Okay, tinaas mo, sabi ko, huwag tataas eh.
Dito nga.
Saan yan?
Find M, Juliana.
M.